Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to take a look at another command in Trimble Business Center, and the command is called clip. You can find it under the CAD and CAD ribbon, and here it is, clip. So it's remove lines and portions of lines that lay inside or outside of specified bounding line. You can also break all the lines that cross the specified bounding line where they intersect with it. So let's go and zoom in as usual. Let's draw a bounding line, something very nice. Let's hit the always. Beautiful. And now we're gonna create a whole bunch of lines here and see what we can do. Create one inside, and let's do, oops, CAD. Let's do a circle which is going like that, circle which is going like that, circle which is going like that. Okay, we are ready. Let's close this down and hit clip command. So what is asking, we have few different options. It's remove line inside bounding lines, remove lines outside of bounding lines, break lines at crossing lines. Beautiful. Let's try them all. Hey guys, I want to take this opportunity to make sure that you like the video and subscribe. If you are in the market for more tutorials, check out our library. There is lots of videos on a whole bunch of other commands and a whole bunch of other tasks. To our good greatest command ever invented, which is called undo. So we're gonna obviously take this one as a bounding line, and now we're gonna select the lines to clip. So I'm gonna select all of them and see what happens here. Boom. So actually everything within inside of the bounding line was clipped. This is great. I like it. This would actually work really good. Oh, I already had it the other day, a project where I could use this 100%. I did it a little bit different way, but okay, let's hit undo and let's try the second one. Remove lines outside of the bounding line. So we'll select the same bounding line, and then we'll select again all the lines inside and out. So this should remove everything outside, so basically clip everything outside and keep everything inside, which it did. And that's what the other day I had a huge plot of land with the contours, right, Johnny? And I created my rectangle. Basically I hit that, select all the contours, and it would clip them, so the contours only inside of my rectangle, so along my side would stay. So that's pretty good. It's gonna speed up that process. Now let's hit undo and let's break lines at the crossing line. So we're gonna do the same thing as usual. Lines to break, we're gonna select all the other lines here, and let's see what that does. So all the lines stayed, but let's see if they are broken up apart. Oh, okay, so as you can see, the circle is kind of weirdly broken. Yeah, this one was pretty good. It must be, oh, so yeah, so it is broken. It just, this, for some reason, it breaks the circle into 3 pieces. Now the lines are pretty straightforward. Yeah, and this one stayed. Yeah, so very useful command, really quick tip for everybody out there. If you are dealing with the side limits or whatnot, the large data sets which include line work, this will help you out to clip everything beautifully to your bounding line. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next one.